Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi problem on iPhone X after update iOS 16.5. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Change DNS Server. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap Wi-Fi. Tap I icon. Scroll down. Tap Configure DNS. Select Manual. Delete server. Add new server. Solution number 2. Enable and disable airplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, enable airplane mode. Scroll down. Tap General. On the general page, scroll down, tap shutdown. Now slide it to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Solution number 3. Reset Wi-Fi connection. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap Wi-Fi. Tap icon. Tap forget this network. Again forget. Turn off Wi-Fi, then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Connect with Wi-Fi. Solution number 4. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap reset all setting. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this action. Solution number 5. Turn off VPN. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, scroll down, tap VPN and Device Management. Turn off VPN if it's on. Thanks for watching this video.